cusp of day and night, a warm force exists, capable of delicately comforting the weary soul and bringing peaceful slumber. Let us embark on this unique journey together, experiencing the wonders that it brings. As dawn breaks, a hint of crisp lemon fragrance quietly permeates the air, as though bringing a ray of morning sunlight, stirring your sleeping body and mind. The pleasant and refreshing scent of lemon, like a gentle breeze, gradually brightens your mood, preparing you to embrace the new day. And when night falls, under a sky dotted with stars, a faint scent of lavender spreads, gently enveloping you, leading you into a calm dreamland. The fragrant lavender guards you through the night, while the crisp sound of raindrops provides tranquility and comfort.
Welcome to my channel. Let's interact and engage together. Your support and attention is my biggest luck.